Is your Spotify app not opening, crashing, or even stuck whenever there is any updates? Then this video is actually for you. In this quick video tutorial, which is actually 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem instantly. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Let's go. So right here is my Spotify app. As you can see here, my Spotify app is actually working very well. So this was how I actually fixed mine. The first step you need to actually take is to go to your phone settings like this. So you need to go to your phone settings like this. On your phone settings like this, you need to just scroll and click on this place where you can see apps. You can see apps right here, so you just need to go ahead and click on that. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on the search button at the top right corner like this and search for Spotify. So when you search for that, go ahead and click on Spotify like this. Looking here at the bottom of the screen, you can see where it says for stop. So you need to go ahead and click on that for stop like this and click on OK and for stop the app. This is actually going to help to fix your Spotify app from crashing or not opening or even stuck when there is any updates. So if after for stopping the app, you need to go back to the app like this and reopen it. If you are trying to reopen it and you are still seeing the errors you are seeing on yours, then this is what you need to do next. You need to go back to that your settings once more. So right here, still on this page, you can see where it says storage. You need to go ahead and click on storage like this. When you do that, at the bottom here, you can see where it says clear cache. So you need to go ahead and clear the cache. Sometimes this might be a bug issue. So in order for you to fix it, you need to clear the cache of the app. So if after clearing the cache of the app like this, you need to go ahead and open the app and check if you are still having that same problem. Then if you are still having that same problem, you need to come back right here and click on clear data. Now mind you, if you clear the data, it is actually going to require you to re-log into the Spotify app. So you just need to go ahead and click on delete like this, and clicking on delete like this, it is actually going to reset the app, and you going back to the app like this, going back to your Spotify app, it is actually going to ask you to re-log into your Spotify app, as you can see here. So I'm simply going to go ahead and click on log in and sign in with my Google account like this. So this is it. This is my Spotify app opening successfully. So in order for you to actually fix this problem as well, if after doing this, yes, the problem actually persists, you need to check if you have a good internet connection. You can do that by turning off your data, that is turning on airplane mode like this and turning it off as well, and fix it if it is an internet issue. So if after doing this and yet the problem is not yet fixed, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store like this and search for Spotify. So you need to go ahead and search for Spotify like this. When you search for Spotify like this, if yours says updates, as you can see here, mine is on the latest version. If yours says updates, you need to go ahead and click on updates and get yours updated. So if after updating it yet the problem actually persists, you can go ahead and uninstall the Spotify from your app and reinstall it back. And if that does not actually solve your problem, the last step you can actually take in order to fix that issue is to go ahead and search for battery. You can see battery right here. So sometimes if your saving mode is actually turned on, this might actually make your Spotify app not to be playing on the background or preventing some features from your Spotify app. So you just need to go ahead and make sure you are not using a power saving mode. You need to turn it off. With that being done, you'll be able to fix your Spotify app and get it working once more again. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this.